This is a 2015 Aero Session. Price gouging back then, wrote a note to people, and yeah, I've been turning it on for a long time. So all we're going to do is just basically hit the on button on top. No SD card. Shuts down. All right, so it works. I'm ready to go have some fun. Put it on an RC car to show somebody that you need image stabilization. So here we have is a micro port. I have a 64 gig card. Slides in one particular way. Close up the door. Turn the camera on over here. And I'm at half battery, 1080p. Gonna go for a test run.